Hello, family. Good day. I just want us to discuss something about the YouTube monetization program, especially here in Papua New Guinea. As an experienced YouTuber, I want to give some insights into the YouTube payment processes that happen on YouTube and how it comes to PNG and how it reaches your bank account, especially in Papua New Guinea. So you see, fam, like on YouTube, once you get monetized on YouTube, you don't just sit down there and you wait for your payments to happen miraculously happen in your bank account here in Papua New Guinea. You have to do some things to fix some things. You have to fix some things before your YouTube revenue reaches you here in Papua New Guinea. Just have a look at the screenshot here. And this one is from my Google AdSense account, and there are some factors that you need to consider before start receiving payments here in Papua New Guinea. So it's like first thing first, after being monetized, you will have to fix your account to set your account up, and it will go to two-factor authentication. After completing the two-factor authentication process, then you will be asked to set up your Google AdSense account. And Google AdSense account, it's like the salary section for Google. So in there, you will be asked to fill in your bank details and whatever necessary tax informations and all this. After completion of all this, and then you will just relax and you can wait for your um, YouTube revenue to reach you here in Papua New Guinea. So, like for myself, it took me so long to, since I don't have a government issued ID, you will have to verify your facial recognition of the channel ownership. You have to verify your facial recognition, and in order for you to do that, you will need to have a government issued ID like an ID card or a driver's license or a passport for that. And after completion of your verification, ownership verification, you will be asked for um, location verification. For that to happen, you will need to get a 6-digit verification code from wherever you are in the world. So, example. So, for myself, when I want to do the location verification process, I have to receive that 6-digit verification code in my post office box in Papua New Guinea. For those you don't have a post office box, don't worry, we'll come to that later. And for those, if you do have a post office box, if you don't have it, you can use others, your friends or family, that the post office box is live and working, and you are 100% sure that you will still be getting your verification code using that post office box. And if you don't have a post office box, don't worry. There are other options available, but it will take time. So if you don't have a post office box, don't worry. You still have to apply for that verification code continuously after 4 times, and it will take you almost 6 to 8 weeks for that. And after you keep requesting and you didn't receive, you keep requesting, and after all that request has been completed, you will be given the opportunity and the chance to, the option for you to apply through via email will come. And that's exactly how I used to use mine. And since I don't have a proper steady post office box, I've been using that process on my other channels. I've requested for 4 times, and after 4 times, I kept saying I didn't receive the verification code, and then YouTube provided me the option to use my email for verification, location verification, and I used that, and I applied the email, and I was sent the verification code that reaches me here in PNG, and I got monetized through that process. So for those you don't have a steady post office box, don't worry. You just apply, keep applying for the verification code, keep requesting until the four chances have run out, then you'll be provided with the option for email verification, and you use that and you get verified on your channel, and then you fill in your bank details and you sit around wait, and once you reach $100 on your YouTube channel, and then it will be paid to your bank account every end of the month on the 20. For me in PNG, I used to receive it in 22nd to the 26th, in between that time. But the payment dates that the YouTube team has set is between 21st to 26th. In between that time of every month, you will be able to receive your payments in whatever parts of the world you are in. But especially for us in Papua New Guinea, I used to receive mine on every date 22nd, and sometimes it goes over to 23rd. That's that's the dates that you will be expecting your payments for YouTubers in Papua New Guinea. So for that to happen, you see, it takes a lot of work to do, not just by uploading videos on YouTube. Yo, that's another job. That's the job that you are paid on. But to get yourself hooked up into the Google system to receive your payments, that's another job altogether. So once you completed that, for the other channels that you want to monetize will be very easy for you. But for first timers, when you want to get on and sign up with Google AdSense, these are the documents that you will need. You will need an NID card or any government recognized ID cards like NID, driver's license, or your passport. One of these three. One of these three IDs are acceptable by Google verification. So after completing that, you will be asked to verify your location, in which you will be sent the 6-digit verification code by Google. And if you don't have that, if you don't have a steady post office box, and you are not sure that you will be able to receive your 6-digit verification code through the post office box, then you can just fill in anyhow and just keep applying until those four chances of requesting verification code are used up. After your 4 verification trials for getting your 6-digit verification code on your post office, you've used that app, you will be provided with a email option by Google to receive your verification code through Google. And after completing that, and then that's complete. Now you can sit around, wait around, and do your best to work on YouTube and reach certain amount of views that pays you at least $100, and so that you get your payment on your bank account, especially in here, Papua New Guinea. So yeah, like it's like that. So for those new YouTubers coming up, don't think that you will just post videos on YouTube and automatically your money will get into your bank account. For your money to get into your bank account, it's another job to do so. It's like I've mentioned, first thing first, you have to verify that you are the channel owner and complete the 2-step verification authentication factor. After completion of that, you will be asked to verify your location's address. So in order for that to happen, you will be sent a 6-digit code via your post office box. And if you don't have a valid post office box, and if you don't own a steady post office box, don't worry. Keep applying until you get the option for email verification, where you fill in your email and you wait for the verification code to arrive. And once it arrives, you fill that in the verification code part on Google AdSense. And once that is complete, then you are done. You sit around, wait around, and you wait for your payments to arrive here in Papua New Guinea on the date 21st to 26th, in between those dates. And one very important thing here is your BSP bank account or your Kina bank account must be a verified account. So complete all the process, and you talk to the bank tellers and tell them to make sure that your account is fully verified. If your account is not fully verified, I mean those bank accounts in Papua New Guinea, if they are not fully verified, your funds will, once you have amount more than 1,000 kina coming into the country and going into your bank account, that amount will be misplaced by the system, and it will take you almost some another months to fix that up. So to be cautious and avoid that to happen while fixing up your um, facial verification and destination verification, you must make sure to check with your bank that your account is fully verified. So once your payments come to Papua New Guinea, it will go straight and without any interruptions and disturbances. It will go straight to your bank account. And if your bank account is not fully verified, honestly, friend, you will have your money misplaced by the bank, and it will take you so much time to go around coming and until you get your funds located in the, I don't know, whatever international pool or whatever the bank uses to keep the money in there before transferring into respective individual accounts. I therefore highly suggest that you make sure that your bank here in Papua New Guinea is fully verified so that you don't have issues with your funds coming from overseas. And that's one very big point that I want others to know about. And after completion of all this, you get your um, YouTube account fully verified by um, providing your government issued ID. Once your ownership to the YouTube account is being fully verified, you have the second step is your Google account verification. That's the um, destination verification to make sure whatever country you are in, you receive your verification, 6-digit verification code from that country. And don't worry, as I've mentioned, if you don't have a proper steady post office box, don't worry, you will still receive it on your email after four trial attempts have been used up. You will be provided the email to verify, so you can use that. And that's the three verifications I'm trying to explain: your YouTube verification, Google AdSense verification for the location you are in, and the most important verification is your bank verification. You must make sure that your bank account is fully verified. If your bank account is not fully verified, amounts less than 1,000, you will still receive it. But once your payment surpassed 1,000, 1,000 kina, honestly, you will face problems. And I've experienced some problems with that because I've been receiving payments less than 1,000 kina. And when my first payment that exceeds 1,000 kina coming in, it got misplaced in the BSP system here in the country, and I have to go and have a lot of arguments and discussions with the BSP bank employees until they locate where it is and they paid it into my account. Uh, to avoid that, I'm saying you must make sure your bank account here in Papua New Guinea is fully verified. And once that happens, and you are fully verified in all three verification processes, you will just sit around and wait for your money to reach you here in Papua New Guinea. And once you have a verified system, you will not worry. You will be happy to grow another channels and yeah, keep doing that and recycle and you stay and keep growing and you live your life. Every day you'll be growing. Thank you very much for the session. I'll still be dropping many sessions like this. I just fixed my uh, location for video recording processes and I'm giving it a try out here. So much love. I'll be still updating. And this one is for Kanaka Astol YouTube channel. Much love and stay blessed. Kids.